How to change your YouTube banner on your mobile device. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can change your YouTube banner on your mobile device. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the YouTube app. Then click on your profile picture in the top right hand corner. Then click on your channel. On this page you can see my banner is Tips for Noobs. If I want to change that, then I'm just going to tap on the pencil in the right hand side of the screen. Next, here it gives you the option to change the name, add a description for your channel, and also you can tap on the camera icon on your banner at the top right corner. It will then ask you if you would like to take a photo or choose from your photos, whichever one you would prefer. If you'd like to snap a photo right now and take it and upload it, tap on take a photo. If not, you want to choose one from your gallery, click on choose your photos, choose the photo you would like. It will then take you through the steps to upload that photo. And that's all it takes to change your YouTube banner on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.